push-ups. Everybody knows how to do it, but there's a couple of nuances that I want to pinpoint. So when we are going to do the push-ups, we will hold our hands shoulder width apart. So if we can be a little bit further away from each other, because we want to hit our chest. Elbows points 45 degrees away from the body, shoulders away from the ears, tight core, so your butt is a little bit behind you, and we are leaning forwards with our chest. Boom. We are aiming for a 3 seconds down. If it this easy, we move to the full push-up. Do the same thing. Okay, there's another one of the push-ups that you're going to do in my program, which is shifting a stance. So basically, it's the same push-up, just one hand goes down, one goes up, and in this position, we're going to push ourselves and switch position of the hands. That's basically it. So common mistakes is actually letting your shoulders roll forward. So think about chest up in the beginning. So when you're doing a push-up, the chest touches the ground, but your hips is a little bit lifted. And I rather do the slower one or going negative one than to try to compensate and push ourselves in some bad way or the way that can damage you. Anyways, enjoy.